Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the slide background color on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the slide background color in your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. So first of all, I just open it open here. So I just added a more slide here so you can see how it's going to be changed and look like. And I'm just going to add some pictures with this. Okay, so you just click on the icon option on the bottom section. Now you just want to select, just scroll, and you can just want to select design. So here you can find option called background color. Just click this, which actually automatically change the color. So it will apply only for this. If you just needed to change, you just click here and you can just set for everything and click on the stated option. Here you can find a color palette for a lot of standard colors and every more. You can just use this, and you can just change for everything. If you just need to apply this for all slides, for an example, just going to choose this color and click on the apply to all slides, so it will automatically change every slides to this color. If you just need to have a different colors for different slides, you can just choose some here, so you can have a different colors for the different slides like this. This is how we just change the slide background color on your WPS presentation on the mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot, and like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable WPS presentation content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.